Problem 42. Pin scores at progress report time were 73, 88, 92, 66, 95, 83, 86, and 91. What would he need to get on his next test to have an average of 86? Well, in order to do this, we need to know how to calculate an average. I find an average by adding up all the pieces and dividing by how many there are. So let's see. How many tests does he have? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next test, we're going to call that X, and that's going to be our 9th test. So we need to add them all up. 73 plus 88 plus 92, 66 plus 95 plus 83 plus 86 plus 91 plus our next test, which is X, all over 9. And what would we like that average to be? We would like that average to be 86. So we have to solve for X. Okay, in order to do that, we need to sum all of these that we've added together. This is one instance in which a calculator would allow us to do this in a much more efficient manner. So let's see, 73 plus 88 plus 92 plus 66 plus 95 plus 83 plus 86 plus 91 is equal to 674. We have plus X. That's all over 9, and that equals 86. So we want to solve for X. We've got to undo this dividing by 9. So we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 9. These cancel. We're left with 674 plus X is equal to 86 times 9. What is 86 times 9? We could punch it in the calculator, but this one's pretty easy to calculate. Let's have a little practice with writing it out. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 5 is 77. We could double check that. So we have 9 times 86, which gives us 774. We were correct. So we subtract our 674 from each side. X equals 100. So in order to get his B, his 86%, Ben would need to score a 100% on his next test. Problem 43. The last time Cheryl visited the post office, she spent $8.86 to mail letters and packages. Each letter cost 44 cents to mail, while each package cost 89 cents to mail. If she sent 2 more letters than packages, how many letters did she mail? So let's pull out the information. She had 886 total. Okay. Letters for 44 cents. Packages for 89 cents. And she had 2 more letters than packages. 2 more letters than packages. Okay, let's see if we can make either an equation or a system of equations in order to solve for how many letters she mailed. So let's see. Our total is 886 Find a total by adding together the pieces. So what do we need to add? Well, we need to add 44 cents for every letter, and we need to add 89 cents for every package. Okay, well this has two variables, so if we were to use this, we would need a system. Okay, what other equation could we write? We could say that she sent two more letters than packages. Two more letters than packages. So we would have letters is equal to packages plus 2. Letters is equal to packages plus 2. Because she sent two more letters than packages. We called this substitution earlier. We've done this before. We know that this L is P plus 2. So in place of L, we're just going to put in P plus 2. So we're going to have $8.86 is equal to 0.44 times P plus 2. That P plus 2 is our number of letters. $89. Okay, so in this case, we're going to distribute. We have 86 is equal to 0.44p plus 0.44 times 2 would be 0.88, and then plus 89. 8.86 is equal to, let's simplify, so we have 0.44 plus 0.89. So let's see, 0.89 plus 0.44, 4 and 9 is 13, 8 and 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And this would be 1.33. So we have 1.33p plus 0.88. Okay, so we need to subtract our 0.88 from each side. We have 1.33p is equal to, well, this would be 8.86 minus 0.88, so that's going to be 7.98. The math here isn't overly complicated, but it can get confusing with all of the decimals. Just make sure you're keeping track. So we have 1.33. We're going to divide each side by 1.33 because we want to solve for p. So let's see. We have 7.98 divided by 1.33, and p is 6. So p is 6. We know she has 6 packages. But the problem asks us how many letters. So we need to solve for the number of letters. So we're just going to go back up to our original equations, and we have L is equal to P plus 2. L is equal to, well, P is 6, so 6 plus 2 is how many letters we have. 6 plus 2 is 8, so she has 6 packages and 8 letters. And that's our answer to this problem. Hang in there, you will get this.